A fully loaded truck weighs up to 80,000 pounds. When brakes fail, stopping isn't an option. Poor maintenance and faulty equipment lead to devastating crashes. Big trucks have big blind spots. When they don't see you, the results can be devastating. Many trucking accidents happen simply because a driver was in the wrong place at the wrong time. Connecticut's unpredictable weather makes our roads dangerous, especially for large trucks. When conditions turn hazardous, accidents can happen in an instant. If you've been injured due to a trucking accident, you deserve justice. When trucking companies overload their vehicles, they put everyone at risk. Excess weight means longer stopping distances, dangerous rollovers, and devastating accidents. Large trucks have massive blind spots. If they can't see you, they can't avoid you. Every year, innocent drivers suffer because of trucking negligence. You don't have to fight alone if you or a loved one has been injured. If you've been injured in a trucking accident, you deserve justice. The Connecticut Injury Firm fights for trucking accident victims. Call 860-321-6557 or visit ConnecticutInjuryHelp.com today. Justice starts here.